Hello, I'm Suzzane. This is a quick video to show how to mirror objects on specific assets in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use monkey Suzzane, so we can go to Add Mesh and Add Monkey Suzzane here. Now I open the Add Monkey Suzzane panel and move to one side and move it here. Now we can select the objects and then go to Modifier Properties and then add the modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Mirror. I enlarge it and show the Mirror modifier here. Actually, it has Mirror on x-axis, but it is at the same location. So we can go to Add Mirror Objects. I suggest to add Plan Access. So we can go to Add and Empty. We can find Plan Access. Now we can select the monkey Suzzane and then go back to Mirror Modifier. Go to Mirror Objects. We can use the dropper to pick Plan Access. So we can see the mirror objects on x-axis. If we want to adjust the distance, we can select the Plan Access and move it. We can move it something like that. I go back to 0. Now we can select the monkey Suzzane again. We can go to Modifier. We have mirror objects on x-axis, and also we can mirror objects on y-axis, and also we can do it on z-axis. Actually, we can go to highlight two axes to mirror x and y axis, and also we can mirror objects on x, y, and z axis. So this is how we can mirror objects on specific assets in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Suzzane. See you in the next video.